Forgot your iPad passcode and can't get in? Don't panic. Well, there's no way to bypass the passcode permanently without erasing the device. You can still reset your iPad and regain access as long as you're okay with wiping it clean and restoring from a backup. To do this, open a browser on any computer or device and go to www.icloud.com. Sign in using the Apple ID linked to your locked iPad. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll receive a code on another trusted device. Enter that code to continue. Once you're logged in, click the Find My icon. When the map interface loads, click on All Devices at the top center of the screen and choose your iPad from the drop-down list. It may be listed under a custom name if you renamed it in the past. After selecting your iPad, a panel will appear in the top right corner with several options: Play Sound, Mark as Lost, and Erase iPad. Double-check that the device name is correct, then click Erase iPad. You'll be asked to confirm this action. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. This will wipe all data from the iPad, including the passcode. Your iPad must be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and should have enough charge to complete the process. It's recommended to plug the device into a power source while erasing. Once the reset is complete, your iPad will restart. Follow the on-screen setup instructions. During the process, you'll be given the option to restore from an iCloud or iTunes backup if one exists. This allows you to recover your previous settings, apps, and data. Now your iPad is fully reset and accessible with the passcode issue resolved. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tech guides.